Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open two different apps in split screen mode at the same time in Samsung smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung home screen. So firstly, just open two different applications. Say I have opened one application and again one more application, right? So now open the recent apps and now just tap on the respective app icon. And now you can see here open in pop-up view. Just click on it and now just tap on this blue horizontal bar icon and now just tap on the split screen option. Now select the other application. Say I want to open the YouTube. Now just tap on this three dot icons at the center and now you will see here one star separate icon. Just click on it. Now click on home screen. Now it will be added on the home screen. Now you can close this. Now you can see we have created a shortcut. Now once you tap on it, you can see here both the applications which I have added on this respective shortcut will be open at the same time in a split screen mode. So by using this method, you can easily open two different apps in split screen mode at the same time in Samsung smartphone and tablet very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.